The airplane disaster. Go ahead.
This is a story about a small airplane on a short flight to San Francisco. There are 10 passengers on the plane, and a pilot, and a co-pilot, and a flight attendant. During the flight, the plane flies into bad weather, and the pilot has a problem, a very dangerous problem. What does the pilot do? And what do the passengers do? We will see. Now the passengers are at the airport. The families and friends are saying goodbye. Goodbye!
Don't forget to my dog.
San Francisco.
Please write letter.
Yeah.
Pascal, please rent a car. Bye bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Say hello to grandmother.
Bye, Grandma.
The pilot and a co-pilot get on the plane and get ready for takeoff. The flight attendant gets on the plane and stands at the door. The passengers get on the plane, one by one.
Good morning. Seat number 1, please. Hello. Seat number 2. And seat number 3, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you. Fine.
The same thing, right?
Good. Fine. Hello. Seat number 5 and seat number 6, please. Good morning. Your seat is number 7. Your seat is number 8. And your seat is number 9. Oh, good morning, doctor. How are you today? Your seat is number 10, please.
How are you, Billy? Joe? Are you all right?
I'm fine, Mom. I'm okay, thanks.
And how are you, dear? Are you all right?
I'm fine, thank you, Henry. But I don't like the weather.
The weather?
Yes, the weather report for San Francisco isn't good today. It may be very cold and windy.
The weather is fine, just fine. Don't be nervous.
Haha.
I'm sorry, sir. No smoking, please. No smoking.
The passengers are all on the plane. They have put their bags under their seats, and they have fastened their safety belts. Now the pilot is speaking with the control tower.
Control tower.
Control tower speaking. Hello, hello.
This is flight 207. We are ready to take off.
Okay, for takeoff. 07, over.
Roderick, over and out. Please get ready for takeoff.
Roger, Captain. Ladies and gentlemen, please check your seat belts and no smoking. Thank you. We're ready for takeoff, Captain.
Do you live in San Francisco?
Excuse me, is your home?
Do you live in San Francisco? In San Francisco.
San Francisco? No, I live in both states. I'm going to visit San Francisco. And a tourist, I'm reading a terrible book about San Francisco.
May I have a glass of water, please? May I
Yes,
have a glass
of course.
Oh, thanks. Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Are you thirsty? Thirsty. Oh. Well, whatever.
I am, but I am thirsty. I am nervous. Aren't you nervous?
Yes, of course, and there's tomorrow. Tomorrow is our first tennis match in California.
Well, we can practice this afternoon in San Francisco. I'm going to sleep now.
Fruit juice?
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, how is the weather now in San Francisco this morning? There was a bad weather report.
I'm sorry, I don't know. I'll ask the captain in a few minutes. Good use? Good use?
Yes, excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 to 10.
Thanks.
Thank you, thanks. Only 2 more hours, San Francisco.
Yes, but the weather looks bad. And we are going to fly over the mountain soon.
Yes, the weather is bad. The pilot is going to fly over some very high mountains. Unfortunately, the airplane is old and not very large. The weather is windy and cold. And now there's ice on the wings of a small plane.
The weather is bad, very bad. Check the wind. Is there ice on the wing?
Yes, Captain. There's little ice on the wings. Oh, the equipment on the wings isn't working.
The equipment isn't working? That's bad news.
Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
Excuse me, what is the weather report? Is it bad? Did you ask the pilot?
Yes, I did. I asked the pilot. There's some windy weather in the mountains, but please don't be nervous.
Thank you. I'm nervous.
Yes, the ice on the wing, it's bad news. Really bad news. We have a big problem.
Yes, Captain. It's a bad problem, all right.
The ice is heavy, too heavy for the wind.
Too heavy, Captain?
Yes, of course, the ice is too heavy. The wind will fall off. We have a bad problem.
Can we land at an airport here?
No, we can land. There isn't an airport around here. This airplane is too heavy now to fly over the mountains. But I have an idea.
An idea, Captain?
Do we have any parachute?
Parachutes? Captain, yes, sir. We have 5 parachutes.
Listen to my idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, but we had bad weather.
Yeah. What? What did she say?
Bad weather? She said bad weather?
Excuse me? Did she say bad weather? Yes, she did. She said bad weather.
The captain says this plane is too heavy now. There is ice on the wings, and the plane is too heavy.
Good Lord, did she say ice on the wings?
Ice? Oh, the winds? That's bad. Very, very bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, please listen. The captain has an idea.
I hope so. I hope the captain has an idea. Good heavens.
Shh. Listen to the flight attendant.
The captain?
The captain, let's land at an airport.
Yes, let's land at an airport. I'm nervous.
Oh, Mom, don't be nervous, please.
Let's listen to flight attendant. Shh.
Thank you. The captain has some parachutes.
My word, did she say parachutes?
Oh no, not parachutes.
Is the captain joking?
Yes, it is a joke.
Hey, fantastic parachutes.
Wow, parachute, I love parachutes. What did she say? What did she say? Parachutes, wow.
Please, your attention, ladies and gentlemen. Can anyone hear parachute? The captain wants 5 volunteers to parachute.
What does he mean, volunteers?
He wants volunteers to parachute from this plane?
I can't parachute.
I can.
Ladies and gentlemen, the plane is too heavy to fly over the mountains. There is too much ice on the wings, and there are too many passengers. Who will parachute? Who will volunteer to parachute? Are there 5 volunteers?
Oh, I'm too nervous. I can't parachute. I'm not going to volunteer.
That's all right, dear. I'll volunteer. I'll parachute.
Dad, can I volunteer? I want to parachute, please.
Oh, no. He's too young. He's too young to parachute.
Yes, he's too young. I'll volunteer.
Oh no, doctor! You can volunteer. You're too famous. Your work is too important.
I want to volunteer. I love
Okay.
parachutes.
Okay, we
We'll
go
go
with
with
you.
you.
We
We'll
all
volunteer.
volunteer.
Please come to the back of the plane.
We need one more volunteer, please.
Well, okay, I will volunteer. I will go.
You can't. Or you think I go. I will go.
You can't go. You are too thin. Be too.
I'll go. Give me that parachute.
It's a person who loves you.
One by one, the 5 volunteers jump out of the plane. The passengers look out of the windows. They watch the parachutes and count. 1, 2, 3.
Mom, look.
Can you see him?
Yes, there he is. I see him. It's Dad. His parachute is opening.
Thank God.
Hurry!
Trouble! Trouble!
Bye.
Hey, I can see other parachute and other one.
I can see 4 parachute.
Can you see the co-pilot?
No, I can't see him.
Oh, there he is. I see him. It's the co-pilot. His parachute opening.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain says the plane is lighter now. It's okay. Everything is okay. And we're flying over the mountains now.
Will we land in San Francisco?
Yes, we'll land in a half an hour.
What about the parachuters?
Yes, we are less than half an hour.
The captain's on the radio now. He's speaking to the San Francisco airport. They're sending a helicopter now.
A helicopter? Wow.
Yes, the helicopter will pick up the parachuters.
Hooray! And so, the brave pilot and the brave volunteers saved the plane. The plane is landing at the San Francisco airport now. And the passengers are leaving the plane, one by one.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That was
Welcome.
fantastic. Wow. Congratulations to the captain and thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, good work. All the passenger off the plane?
Yes, Captain. Oh no, there's passenger number 4. He's sleeping.
Well, please wake him up.
Wake up, sir, please. Wake up. Sir, wake up. Wake up.
What? It is, where are we?
San Francisco, we are here. Wake up.
I tried, I turned on my hair and went to sleep. Now I live, I turn it on. What that you say? Are we here already in San Francisco?
Yes, sir. San Francisco.
Good. That was a very good, nice fly. I sleep all the way. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa!